Okay, here we go. And this is how we're going to be removing the tank. All right, here we go. So we're going to remove the rear bolt right here. There's two of them on each side. Okay, that one's off. And also what you got to do is you got to make sure there's no fuel in the fuel tank. So we already siphoned this off. So we have no fuel in the tank. Second, we got to take the breather tube out, which is located right over here. Breather tube, yep, that's out. Then we're going to take the shroud out, and there's a bolt underneath here. You got to take it off, take it out, and then you just quickly just pop this off. This is what it looks like. Okay, perfect. And this is where the bolt goes. Okay. Next, you have two electrical plugs that you got to unplug. One here and one here. Okay. And there's also a clip that you got to unclip this. Here we go. Okay. Make sure that's nice and free. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next, you're going to unplug the two plugs underneath here. Here we go. Here we go. And unplug it right over here, and one on this side. Okay. And just comes off. Okay, perfect. The last thing that you got to do, you have to lift the tank, and you have to disconnect the two fuel lines. Okay, you got to lift the tank, and with the pliers, and they're located right over here. Okay, yeah, one here, and we will do this right away. And unplug it, perfect. And one more, we're gonna unplug the second one. Okay, and comes off, there we go. And all you gotta do right now is just lift the tank. Nice and easy. Okay, just give me a second. And also the breather tube. Here we go. And this is what the tank looks like. So this is what needs to be disconnected. Your breather tube right over here. Your two fuel lines up here. Your electrical system underneath the tank. And you also have two electrical clips that need to be disconnected. And now we're going to be putting it back together. Okay. Here's your breather tube. It's going to go on the side, and it clips in there. Your fuel line. Okay. And the second fuel line. There we go. Right, we're continuing on. Okay, and your electrical system. Okay, don't forget to put it in that clip and on the side. Okay, perfect. Okay. One goes in here, and second will go in here. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, and now we are going to connect. And second. Okay, and finally, the two bolts and the shroud will go in here with the two clips and a bolt on the bottom. And that is how you take the tank off of this particular bike.